The SOHAMO S3 Step-Thru folding e-bike is an intriguing offering in the world of electric bicycles, especially for those looking for a compact, affordable option priced at $699. This bike presents itself as a budget-friendly alternative without compromising on essential features. In this review, we'll dive in to the specifics of its assembly, design, and performance, especially taking it for a spin in the picturesque North Georgia mountains. The SOHAMO S3 features a sleek and modern design with a step-through frame that makes mounting and dismounting a breeze. It sports 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires, which give it a robust appearance while ensuring stability on a variety of surfaces. One of the standout design elements is the comfortable saddle, which is crafted from an elastic material providing a cushioned ride. Additionally, the bike includes a sturdy rear rack capable of holding up to 110 pounds, perfect for carrying groceries or commuting essentials. The assembly of the SOHAMO S3 was notably more challenging than other bikes featured on my channel. The bike arrives in a relatively small box, which necessitates more extensive assembly than usual. The instruction manual provides a detailed guide, yet the complexity of the task led me to ultimately take the bike to a local bike shop for proper assembly. So here's a quick rundown of the assembly process based on the manual. For installation, begin with the front wheel, brake rotor, and mounting hardware. Use the provided Allen key and wrenches to secure bolts in a diagonal pattern. Instructions emphasize correctly installing the quick release skewer, adjusting the headset, and folding mechanisms. For final adjustments, attach the kickstand, rear fender, and ensure the handlebars and wheels are aligned. Adjust the seat post height and secure it using the quick release lever. Now, despite following these steps, I encountered difficulties that required professional assistance. So it might be worthwhile for first-time assemblers to consider this option. Riding the SOHAMO S3 Step-Thru folding e-bike through the rugged beauty of the North Georgia mountains was an exhilarating experience. The region, known for its lush greenery, scenic vistas, and winding trails, offers a perfect backdrop to test the capabilities of this compact yet powerful e-bike. With its 750-watt motor, the SOHAMO S3 proved to be a reliable companion as I navigated through mostly gravel paths before concluding the ride on winding paved roads. While riding through the gravel trails, the first thing that struck me was the bike's impressive torque. Despite its smaller size and lightweight design, the SOHAMO S3 packed a punch right from the start. The motor's peak power of 1100 watts provided ample acceleration, allowing me to smoothly transition from standstill to cruising speed without any hesitation. This was particularly useful on the initial stretches of gravel where loose stones and uneven surfaces can often make it challenging to maintain balance and momentum. The bike's 20-inch by 3-inch fat tires played a crucial role in this regard. Although I initially had reservations about the tire size, they offered sufficient grip and stability on the gravel paths. The tread pattern effectively handled the loose terrain, preventing slippage and enhancing traction. While larger tires might offer a bit more comfort on rough trails, the existing setup did a commendable job in maintaining control and ensuring a smooth ride. As I continued along the gravel paths, I encountered a mix of challenges typical of such terrains. Occasional steep inclines, rocky patches, and narrow winding trails that demanded precise maneuvering. The SOHAMO S3's Shimano 7-speed gear system proved invaluable in these situations, allowing me to easily adjust the level of assistance based on the terrain's demands. The thumb shifter provided intuitive control over the gears, making it simple to downshift for more power on climbs or upshift to conserve energy on flatter stretches. One of the standout features of this ride was the pedal assist system, which significantly contributed to an effortless cycling experience. On moderate inclines, I rarely had to exert much effort, as the motor provided the necessary boost to ascend without breaking a sweat. The pedal assist feature, adjustable across 5 levels, enabled me to fine-tune the amount of assistance needed, which was extremely useful when the path became more challenging. However, as the trails became steeper, I occasionally needed to apply more human power to maintain momentum. On the steepest hills, the bike required a combination of pedal power and motor assistance to reach the summit. Even in these situations, the SOHAMO S3 performed admirably, demonstrating its ability to handle demanding conditions with ease. The bike's weight distribution and ergonomic design made it comfortable to stand and pedal, allowing for efficient power transfer when tackling steeper gradients. The SOHAMO S3's handling on gravel paths was notably impressive, thanks to its well-engineered front suspension fork and responsive braking system. The aluminum alloy suspension fork, with its 80mm of travel, absorbed shocks from bumps and rough patches effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride throughout the journey. This feature minimized the impact of rough terrain on my wrists and shoulders, allowing me to ride for extended periods without experiencing discomfort. When navigating tight corners or avoiding obstacles on the trail, the bike's mechanical disc brakes offer precise stopping power. The 160mm disc rotors on both the front and rear wheels provided reliable braking performance even in challenging conditions. This was reassuring on downhill sections where maintaining control is crucial to prevent skidding or losing balance. The SOHAMO S3's 750-watt motor truly shined during this ride, delivering consistent power and efficiency throughout the journey. Its ability to reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour was evident on flatter sections of the trail, where I could comfortably cruise without compromising stability. The motor's responsiveness was impressive, providing immediate power when needed, whether for quick accelerations or tackling inclines. As I approached the end of the gravel trails, the path transitioned to winding, paved roads, presenting a new set of challenges and opportunities for the SOHAMO S3. The shift from gravel to asphalt highlighted the bike's adaptability and versatility across different terrains. On paved roads, the bike's performance was nothing short of exhilarating, offering a smooth and controlled ride that allowed me to fully appreciate the stunning scenery of the North Georgia mountains. The bike's compact design and nimble handling made it a joy to navigate through the winding roads. The smaller frame and reduced weight of the bike allowed for quick turns and precise control, making it easy to weave through curves and enjoy the thrill of the ride. The fat tires, although initially chosen for their performance on gravel, continue to provide excellent grip and stability on the smooth pavement, ensuring a secure ride even at higher speeds. The North Georgia mountains are known for their challenging hills, and the SOHAMO S3 met these head-on with impressive power and capability. On steeper inclines, where gravity posed a formidable challenge, the bike's motor delivered a powerful assist that minimized the need for excessive pedaling. The e-bike's ability to maintain power on uphill climbs was a testament to its engineering, allowing me to conquer most hills with relative ease. While the motor provided significant assistance, the steeper hills still required a combination of motor power and my effort. In these instances, the pedal assistance system was invaluable, allowing me to maintain a steady pace without exhausting myself. As the ride concluded on winding paved roads, the SOHAMO S3 showcased its ability to provide a thrilling and enjoyable experience across diverse terrains. The transition from gravel to asphalt highlighted the bike's adaptability, making it a suitable option for riders seeking an e-bike capable of handling both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Throughout the journey, the bike's performance, handling, and power left a lasting impression. The SOHAMO S3 demonstrated its capability to navigate challenging trails, conquer steep hills, and offer a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Its compact size and lightweight design, coupled with a robust motor and reliable components, make it an excellent choice for riders looking for a flexible e-bike at an affordable price. In conclusion, the SOHAMO S3 Step-Thru folding e-bike is a standout option in the budget e-bike category. Its performance on gravel paths and paved roads in the North Georgia mountains proved its capability and reliability, whether you're a seasoned rider seeking adventure or a newcomer looking for an accessible entry into the world of e-bikes.